Hello viewers, are you facing WhatsApp this username is not available error problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. Viewers, if WhatsApp shows this username is not available error problem, it usually means the username is already taken by another WhatsApp user or your username does not meet WhatsApp rules. To fix this issue, try a different username and add number to create a unique username. Avoid space, emoji, and special character like @hashtag. You can see I gave a username here. It's not taking it. That means it's already taken by someone. But if you add some numbers here, you can see that the username is available. Another way you can set username, just click on suggest username. Now see, username has been taken. Now just click on save option to set username. If still problem remaining, then go to Play Store and update your WhatsApp and then restart your device. Hopefully this method will fix your problem.